Alright, we're good to go. Rockford ground, Sky 11614 is at the avionics place, ready to go.
Sky 11614, Rockford ground, runway 19, taxi via Juliet Lima. Verify it, it's Mike.
Juliet Lima, we have Mike for 614. Did some work on the autopilot, we're going back now. Both in, set, up, in, set, set. On the tower end, 121.0 is next frequency. Expect like runway heading probably. No flight plans in. Rockford Tower, Sky 11614, hold and show runway 19er on Lima, ready to go.
Sky 11614, Rockford Tower, clear to assignment, the wind is 120 at 3, runway 19er, clear for takeoff.
19er clear for takeoff, direct assignment 614. Now, clear lights are on. Curve 55. 55 rotating.
Sky 614, contact departure, take care.
Over to departure, thank you. Rockford departure, Skyhawk 11614, 1100, climbing 3000, direct assignment.
Number 11614, Rockford departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 5000.
5000, 614. That looks like we're about to pop out. Need sunglasses here in a minute. We're definitely gonna need sunglasses once we get to level out here. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. And departure 614, top server 3900.
Roger, thank you. Skyhawk 11614, contact Chicago approach 133.5, good day.
33.5, good day, 614. Chicago approach, Skyhawk 11614, 5000.
November 11614, Chicago approach, advising handled kilo at loose and expect our now runway 20.
Boy, Kilo, expect the RNAV 20 for 614.
November 30, Delta trim up heading 180.
0.7, altimeter 2974. Advise on initial contact, you have information. Kilo.
Lewis University Tower.
Information, Kilo 2055 Zulu, RNAV, runway 20, approach in use. Landing and departing runway 20.
Research Delta Cruiser approach runway 20 right, contact QPH 120.9.
Visibility 10,
Position 20 right,
2 miles.
2.9,
Sky condition, ceiling, broken at 2,200, broken at 3,200. Temperature 10, 2.7, altimeter 2974. Advise on initial contact. You have information. Kilo.
November 614, flighting 120 to maintain 4,000.
120, 4,000, 614. Alright, so minimums are going to be 1240 is the number. Alright, so I'm looking at the Alpha Lima 6063 approach plate for the RNF 20 into Lewis. Let's see. Allen. First goes to be 196. Runway length is 6,500. Touchdown elevation 668. Port elevation 679. Miss approach minus 2300 toward Camley and hold. ATIS we already have approach and tower. No more than 2300 until after J-sub down to minimums with 1240. Alright, we're briefed. We're going to get a lot of actual on this flight if they're going to put us at 4,000 all the way. I'll take the actual, but it's just going to be stressful for me.
That's 614, turn 10 degrees right.
10 right, 614. I'm not talking too much, guys. I normally would, but I hands one in actual solo. This is only my third solo in actual, so. And this is probably the first hard actual. It's not really that hard, but it's still, it's more intense than I'm used to. And it doesn't help I don't have an autopilot, because the other two times I have been solo actual, this is my autopilot.
November 614, clear direct to Step Key.
Direct to Step Key, 614.
Cessna 614, just to maintain 3,000.
3,000, 614.
Cessna 614, contact approach 119.35.
1935, 614. Chicago approach, Skyhawk 11614, 3000, direct Pesky.
Southwest 636, Chicago departure, radar contact. Company traffic at your 2 o'clock AM, 3 miles eastbound, northeastbound, 4,000.
Departure Southwest 636 out of 2 for 3.
Southwest 636, Chicago departure, radar contact. Traffic 2 o'clock and 3 miles northeast out of 4,000.
Okay, we're looking for him, Southwest 636.
For 11614, proceed direct to Sepke.
Direct to Pesky, 614.
November 614, you're 4 miles from Cfi, maintain 3,000 until established on the final approach course, cleared for the RNAV runway 20 straight in approach.
3,000 still established, cleared for the RNAV runway 20
Vertical track.
approach for 614.
November 614, contact Lewis Tower 134.8.
Over the tower, 11614. Lewis Tower, Skyhawk 11614 is 7 miles, or 4 miles outside J7 on the RNAV 20.
November 11614, Lewis Tower, report a 3-mile final for runway 20.
143 out for 614. Tower, can 614 make a power up with you?
November 614, you said you had a pirate for me?
Yeah, bases are 2,800.
2,800 foot bases, thank you. And you'll be number 2 following a Cessna on short final for runway 20. Winds calm, runway 20, cleared at touch and go.
Skyhawk 11614, we are full stop.
Skyhawk 614, roger, cleared to land runway 20, thank you.
Clear to land 20, 614. Tower 614, 3 mile final 20.
November 11614, you said you're on a 3-mile final?
3 out now.
November 614, runway 20, cleared to land.
Clear to land 20, 614.
November 2 Foxtrot Alpha, extend your downwind, plan to follow a Cessna on a 3-mile final, just reported for runway 20.
Lewis Tower will extend 872 Foxtrot Alpha.
Pitot heat is off. 65 knots, 30 degrees of flaps. Red 2 white. Bending downward. Using power. Full. The noise made. Slowly reducing throttle. Idle.
Cessna 614, if able, turn left on Kilo, contact ground.
Left on Kilo, over to ground, 614.
November 2 Foxtrot Alpha, clear touch and go, runway 20.
Lewis Tower 872 Foxtrot Alpha, clear touch and go.
Cessna 3 Mike Alpha on this pass, plan to extend downwind. I'm going to try to get a Cessna.
Alright, F-lane checklist. Lights. Yes, sir.
11614 ground.
614.
11614 text park via Golf Bravo cross 27 Golf.
Golf Bravo, cross runway 27 at Golf for 614. Alright, you guys, thanks for following along, going for a ride with me. I know it was the most riveting. I didn't have a lot of commentary to give to you guys because I was busy. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll look forward to seeing you guys next week. Take care, have a great day.